Hello SS fam, welcome back to the SS fam kitchen. How are you all doing? So this is the tomatoes I showed to you guys the other day. So as you can see, it's a full carton, and I've left these tomatoes like this for like 4 days now, and some of them has begun to get soft. Look at it. I won't allow that. I don't want to get bad. If you're interested in knowing how I make my tomato paste that will last me till whenever, please keep watching. So what we're going to be doing now is, first thing first, I'm going to turn these whole tomatoes inside this sink like that. Look at that, guys. The sink is full, so that means I'm going to take my time to wash it one by one. I don't think there's anybody in this world that don't know how to wash tomatoes. Just go turn your water like that, then get one, make sure all is clean. This is what I'm going to be doing to one each of them, so I'll put them in the pot. Then I will see you guys when I'm done washing. I don't want the video to be unnecessarily long. So if you're just seeing this video for the very first time, please, I'm going to give you a quick countdown so you join the family. In 3, 2, 1, boom! Have you joined the family? Have you subscribed? Thank you so much for subscribing. So let's get right into the video. Is this my pot that I'm going to be using? This is my whole world pot. So anyone that has a head like this, I take them out. I want all the yuckiness. So just bug them out. Like that. Total cleanness. So guys, this is drained enough. I'm just going to lift it like that. Inside my pot. So you see, water is out. So that's how I'm going to wash, drain, pour it in the pot. So guys, now we are officially done washing it. This pot is massive. As you can see, everything entered. I am so happy that I have this whole world pot. So now we're going to push all the way. You don't need to lift. Boom, like that. No, boom, it's on my gas. Going to set fire for high. Like that. The gas is on now. So now we just put the lid. So let it keep boiling at the same time cooking. Love yours. Okay guys, it's time to check it out. Look at that. You see, it was all the way full. Now it's going down. The reason why I choose this method is because when you want to blend yours before boiling it, you're still going to end up adding water. So I don't want that. No, it's better I boil it like this, dry most of the water out of it. When I'm blending, it's going to blend with ease. I don't need to add water. So that's why I prefer this method, and it worked for me well. I'm making it. Look at it again. Ooh, look at that. See, lots of water. That's a lot of water. So let's boil out lots of water. Yeah, you guys can see it, right? So my camera is foggy now. Let's keep boiling. So now let's open it again. So as you can see, it's boiling. It looks cooked, and you can still see lots of water in it. So now it's time for us to drain out this water. If not, if you keep cooking it, you're going to waste lots of gas, and it's not necessary. So let's just drill the water out. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. So look at it, guys. Just raise it like so. Woo. Just keep pouring it. That's. See all this water? Oh my gosh. So my pot is hot. There it is. Did you see that water? Hope my camera is not foggy by now. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. See how the water. Not necessary.
I have to.
Okay. See, we literally flip everything. I'm cleaning the camera. just in case it's foggy. Okay, it's stable now. This is the whole of the tomatoes, so I'm going to leave it here for like 30 minutes so that everything will completely drain out. So when we're done with that, then we start. So now guys, I'm going to raise it up. Look at the water, guys. You see, this water is just water, nothing else. So I pour it out, still dripping a little bit. So I put it back. Now it's time for us to blend. I'm going to be taking it like this and packing it inside the blender. Like so. Now that's the quantity we have in the blender. I'm not going to be adding any water, so just going to put the lid like so. I like rinsing my stuff, so put the lid, then turn it on, and my blender like doing candle. It will eventually start blending. I'm not going to over blend it. I think my blender did a great job. Wow, look at that smoke. Let me show you guys. Look at that. You see that? Look. Is this not a perfect paste? It is a perfect paste. We've loaded the second bag, and this is what is still left. No water needed, no oil needed. I didn't put nothing. So guys, now that we're done blending and I've turned them there, to make it into a perfect tomato paste, you just go ahead like that. This is the filter that I used initially, but now I'm using this one. So my kids are always in the building, please. So just go like that. You saw what I'm doing. We're just basically pouring it here and allowing it to completely drain if there's any more water remaining. This is how to do it. Okay guys, look at that. As you can see, it is completely, look at that, drain, no single water left. Look, so I've turned the other one in the other filter here. Look at that, see, perfect. Look, did you see that? Wonderful. So it's completely drained out the whole water. So let me lift it up so you see. I keep pouring the whole water away, no tomatoes wasted. So like that. So now let the storage begin. I will use the Ziploc bag, or if you have small containers like this, if you have things like this, smaller or big like this, you can just put it, seal it, put it in the fridge. So I either use this or I use this. Let's see, Ryan. So we go ahead like that. And stop. Like after I finish doing it like this, I'm just going to go ahead and put them in my freezer. You can store it in your freezer to next year, to whenever. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I'll go ahead and put everything here, then store it in the freezer. Thank you so much for always watching. So for those of you that want to know how many bags we got from the carton of tomatoes after the process, so after the process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 Ziploc bags. So you can just grab it, cook your stew, cook your jollof, cook whatever you want to cook, your vegetable soup, your spaghetti, your pasta. Tomato is good for everything. So thank you so much for always watching. Like this, if you toast tomatoes like this and dry it and used to cook Christmas stew, oh my god, your neighbor will come knocking at your door. My mom always used to do it. Thank you so much for always watching our video. We love you just the way you love us. Peace. I'm out. We out.